Hello and welcome everyone in YouTube, Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. As you guys can see here, we have the Samsung Galaxy J7 Crown. So this phone available through Symbol Mobile. Symbol Mobile, similar company to Metro by T-Mobile. Use T-Mobile towers, has unlimited plans for $50 including 10 GB hotspot, has a lot of good features like international calling and stuff like that. So there's too many people are interested in this company. For that reason, I'm trying to post videos also to cover phones more than just Metro by T-Mobile. So without any further ado, let's find out more about the Samsung Galaxy J7 Crown. Now this phone is packaged as like open book. Over here you open, you see some main plans they offer. They offer $25, $50 and $60, but right now they're coming with the $50 truly unlimited, including 10 GB hotspot. Truly unlimited means truly unlimited. There is no congestions, priority or anything like that, and this is one of the things I like Symbol Mobile for. But let's focus more on the phone itself. That's how the phone's gonna look. This phone is 2018 version. It's a new version. One thing I gave my concern about this phone. First of all, this phone on the website, every website I checked, the phone state that this phone has only 16 GB storage. But look over here, when we go to the specs, internal memory 32, device only, and take SD card, which is kind of weird. Why they advertise everywhere else the phone has 16 GB? When I grabbed the phone, I bought the phone was 32 GB. Now for the price of the phone, it will be right now. The normal price the company sell it for, it's $199, but they have $50 discount if you just sign for Symbol Mobile. So they will give you the phone for $149. Either way, either you switch or you not switch. This is the bad things about Symbol Mobile. They don't offer any good promotion for people they want to switch. They want you to buy the phone, go activate it, and good to go. Maybe they focus on the plan itself, so I'm not quite sure, you know what I mean, about what they are doing, but I'm here to review this phone. By looking over here, we'll see that we have ultra saving mode. Doesn't tell you any much specifications. I know I don't want to make this video very long, but let's go ahead and review some of the specifications. So the operating system is going to be on the phone will be Oreo 8.0 TouchWiz, of course, and we have 5.5 high definition, so we don't have full high definition features and stuff. No fingerprint, no face recognition. Samsung Galaxy J7 Star through Metro by T-Mobile has face recognition, doesn't have fingerprint, so this phone doesn't have nothing actually. So the way this company, they're trying to make these phones even with less features and more expensive than the other carriers, which is kind of weird over here. Now we have 2 GB of RAM, we have non-removable battery, 3300, decent in my opinion, and the phone has octa-core processor, 1.5 GHz, and the version it will be Exynos 7884. But now, so let's go ahead and open the box. I'm not saying because they sell the price for higher, you know what I mean, than the other carriers, it's not a good company. As we said, the promotion they offer on the plans, they have $25 for 3 GB. They offer $50 truly unlimited with 10 GB hotspot. It's something really good over here, and this package is giving me a little hard time to open. Here we go. Finally, we get this to open. And they have a program to bring your own device, so no matter what phones you have unlocked as far as GSM, you can come to Symbol Mobile, get this ready. So here you go. The box has another box and the phone inside this clear box over here, and that's how the phone is gonna look. This phone absolutely looked like the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. It's the same phone, but actually black, the other one blue, or like kind of sky blue, and we have the phone the way it looks and everything. So no facial recognition or anything like that. I will confirm the memory, by the way, because the box says 32 and the website says 16. That's something stay tuned for. But before we go to this far, I want to show you. So we got manual book, some instruction from Symbol Mobile, terms and condition, of course. That's charger. We don't have C-type, just normal charge, no fast charging, nothing. And the phone's supposed to be $200 when the phones came out. This is too much expensive, so I don't know if they gonna sell good or not. Just jumping to the phone itself, it's plastic. The battery, it should be sealed with this back. Speaker will be located on the side. We have the power key, we have the camera, and we have the volume record. The camera should be 13 megapixel for the front and in the back, so should has good camera. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead, open the phone or start working on the phone, download some apps, do a few things here and there, and then we're gonna come back with my opinion, tell you about the main features in the phone and what I like and what I don't like. Now I just took a little bit of time to play with this phone and I want to explain a few things for you. First of all, let me confirm for you, this phone is not as advertised on the website and even on the official website. If you go to simplemobile.com and then go to J7 Crown, you will see that this phone has only 16 gigabytes and doesn't even say the main features in the phone. So one of the important things, this phone has 32 gigabytes. Let me go ahead and show you that. So we have 9.9 gigabytes used from 32 gigabytes. So basically this phone has 32, is not 16 as they actually say on the website. So they have false information. Those people on the website, if they watch this video, please fix this information. The second information that's never been mentioned on the website or not even on the phone or some other website I have looked up to the specifications, this phone doesn't have facial recognition. And this phone actually does have facial recognition, and let me go ahead and show you this. If you just go to, you will see I have a pin and face recognition over here, and let me just and confirm that for you. So face recognition, it's already on the phone. If I go ahead and just turn on that phone, go to my face, and the phone unlock, as you guys can see. Now since this phone has 32 gigabyte storage and has facial recognition, that way I'm not too disappointed about this phone. For those people on the website, they have to see the phones actually before they post that information, because this will trick a lot of people. And I would say for those people on the TracFone company, Straight Talk, Total Wireless, they may fell in the same trap when they go to buy it, because I even looked up to Straight Talk, I looked up to Total Wireless, I find out this phone has only 32 and they never mention nothing about facial recognition. So I hope the people, if they watch the videos, to go ahead and fix that information, so that way the phone will be more attractive to the customers. Now speaking about the display has Super AMOLED high definition 294 for the PPI, which is less than the average, to be honest with you, but since it's Super AMOLED, always the color is so good, it's so bright. I don't have much complaint about the display itself, to be honest with you. Comparing this phone, it should be also a budget device, so we're not gonna expect the best display here. One thing may be disappointing, that the same ratio never changed in 2015 till now, so we have the same ratio. We don't have 19:9. We still have a home key. Maybe people like home key. Here you go, this home key is still available. If you got used to it, you have the previous J7 phones and you're willing to get a phone that has better operating system, faster processor and better camera, this is gonna be a good option for you. As I said earlier, the phone has Android 0.0, which is Android 8, which is Android Oreo, so which is good. Some of the main features you see here in the title, some shortcuts, power saving, you can enable, disable, NFC is available. This is important for a lot of people, and Smart TV. If you have Smart TV or willing to connect your TV, this feature, it should be available for you. In the settings, I have noticed that there is something for people play games, so they can actually enable this feature. Let me just go to it, advanced feature, and you see you have gaming. So basically it's gonna launch some pop screen where you can record or adjust the performance when you play games. Now let's speak a little bit about the camera. So we don't have anything fancy over here, just 13 megapixel camera, flash, only one camera, front camera. There is no flash over here. Okay, so most of the J7 it should comes with a flash, but there is no flash on this device for the front facing camera doesn't have any manual mode over here, and let me show you some of the features this camera has. It has the stickers. I'll go ahead and show you something similar to Snapchat we have seen, and this is just to fix the ratio of the screen, so it doesn't do much for you. We have a flash, but this flash for the rear, and we have some settings over here. Full high definition is the max you can go, and some settings for the shutter, sound, and stuff like that, and adjusting or reset the settings on the phone over here. So everything's basically manual, so you can adjust the brightness, the HDR, the ISO. You can't do anything. Everything optimized with the operating system from the application for the camera. The selfie has also some the focus mode. This is something similar to the portrait, but it's not the portrait, and I'll show you this in a second. I have taken one selfie. As you guys see, it will blurry the background, but that just to make the focus. This is actually autofocus. That's not a portrait, because portrait depends on things through the lens itself. It's a hardware thing, but this is actually software. But just to be fair enough with the phone, the picture's been taken, even selfie with 13 megapixel. It's very decent, it's very great. I don't have much complaint. When you do auto or selfie focus, it does give you some skin tone, which is kind of make, you know what I mean, filter for the face to make it look good. Also indoor with low lights, the screen is so sharp, the color is very bright. Maybe it's like the sharp, it's not 100% as we've seen on other higher end phones, but the picture absolutely great. You don't see any blurry, or you don't see any noises on the picture itself, which is great in my opinion. Outdoor pictures absolutely awesome for selfie. And this also, we have used the manual focus or selfie focus over here, which is still a nice feature to have. Outdoor pictures, as far as you have enough light, you should have no problems or whatsoever in this phone. I feel like I'm repeating myself when I did the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star for Metro by T-Mobile, but here it is. A lot of customers or people, maybe they're not with Metro, they're not wanting to get Metro. This phone available through Simple Mobile, as I mentioned, and Simple Mobile has the same actually mother company, which is a TracFone. So Straight Talk, Total Wireless, Simple Mobile is all the same company. So if you're buying this one from Simple Mobile, it will be the same phone you buy through Total Wireless or Straight Talk. And that was very much it for that video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't, and encourage me with some good comments, and let me know if you guys want to see more Simple Mobile phones in this channel or not, so that way if you guys want it and request more videos, I can go ahead and do more for you, and hit the bell to be notified in order not to miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next video.